Welcome to Rolling Hills in the beautiful city of Ocala, Florida. Today, we will show you this extraordinary home recently completed in 2025, featuring 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a large insulated 3-car garage in 1.5 acres of land.
Everything is meticulously designed and crafted with high-quality materials and finishes, catering to those who appreciate luxury, comfort, and privacy. Because a picture is worth 1,000 words, so let's explore every detail.
Behind the 4x8-foot solid mahogany wood front door, we encounter true luxury from floor to ceiling.
With 4x4-foot polished Spanish tiles, and ceilings nearly 11 feet high with recessed LED lights.
Solid wood 8-foot tall inside doors make it feel both elegant and substantial.
This kitchen was designed to enjoy and impress, with a 9-foot-long granite island, custom cabinetry, General Electric appliances including double ovens, induction cooktop, downdraft ranch hood, and even a wine cooler.
The large garage has 880 square feet with insulated doors to fit 3 vehicles comfortably.
With a metal roof and seamless gutters and leaf guards, it is built to last decades with virtually no maintenance.
The exterior walls are built with insulated concrete forms, providing strength, reliability, thermal insulation, which means better energy efficiency as well as soundproofing.
So this isn't just a house, it's a fortress with comfort.
Because everything was planned carefully, this house also includes an irrigation system and a generator hookup.
This property is located 15 minutes from the World Equestrian Center, near state parks, rivers, and natural preserves for hiking, biking, and horse riding.
Between the ample space, the luxurious finishes, and the tranquility of Rolling Hills,
You have to see this beauty in person. Contact us to discuss how you can make it yours.
see you soon!